YouTube. Today I have a power bowl that is inspired by the Dulce diet. Now all of the ingredients that I have here is nutrition dense to help reach your fitness goals, so stay tuned. If it's your first time here, I'm Magda, health and fitness coach. Most of the videos that are uploaded on YouTube are targeted towards health, fitness, recipes, or even learning how to put together a fitness regimen. So if that's something that you are interested in, please make sure that you like and subscribe right now. That I have laid out here is called a power bowl for a reason, because it provides the body with vital vitamins and nutrients, not only to help with your fitness goal, but to keep you full for longer periods of time and to help to sustain you mentally, physically, emotionally, all of the there's a lot of great benefits that comes with these ingredients itself. So I'm just gonna go by and list and just touch bases on everything that I have here. I am using rolled oats simply to avoid sugar from the cereal. Stopped eating cereal years ago because I realized that cereal doesn't provide the vital nutrients that is needed to function properly. It's just a waste of calories, it's a waste of sugar, and if I wanted to indulge in something later on that was high in sugar, I had to also take into account for the sugar from the cereal, which is unnecessary. I understand why they do it, because our bodies need to function off of sugar, but that glucose isn't the glucose that we need to function properly. We can get that from fruits, we can get that from honey, we can get that from other natural sources that's not processed. So rolled oats has a plethora of benefits. It helps to keep us fuller for longer periods of time. It has natural properties to clean out the digestive system. And when you incorporate vitamin C along with the oats, it helps to enhance those properties. So the vitamin C I find from the berries, which I have the strawberries and blueberries, both are rich in vitamin C. And they are also high in antioxidants. I always opt for all natural peanut butter that doesn't have a lot of ingredients in it. So therefore, when I look back here, the only thing that's in here is peanuts. I also have here is raw honey. I don't go for, there's certain honeys that I try to be mindful of as far as purchasing, because sometimes we'll go to the store and they'll say, oh, this is local or raw honey, and it actually is filled with high fructose corn syrup and it's not pure honey. Hemp seeds, chia seeds are plant-based proteins, high in antioxidants. Hemp seeds is filled with omega-3 fatty acids, which is also beneficial for brain function. Antioxidants from the chia seeds, it also helps with, free radicals, and try to get organic chia seeds if you can, because that's just where you're going to get most of your nutrients from when it comes to organic. Also, when it comes to raisins, when you're picking out raisins, make sure that the ingredients are just raisins, no extra added sugar, just raisins itself that's dried up. I always opt for organic raisins because I feel like that's the purest form. I have coconut oil, which is a major aid. It has a lot of medicinal properties. Let me put it this way. Coconut oil have a lot of medicinal properties. It's an anti-inflammatory as well as other benefits as well. So we're gonna add that in there. And just for a little taste of chocolate, I have cocoa nibs. So all of these ingredients are gonna go into the power bowl. It doesn't take long to make. You just mix everything. As long as you have all the ingredients, it's real easy. Mix it with hot water and bam, there you go. You have your power bowl. It's gonna help to sustain you for longer periods of time. And as I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but eating oats dry is more beneficial to help to keep you fuller throughout the day. So let's just get started and put all the ingredients together and show you what the bowl is going to look like. texture of the oat velvet should definitely thicken as the hot water settles, and the texture shouldn't be too watery. It should be a nice consistency. Adding too much water will definitely ruin this bowl. But if that happens, just throw in some extra oats to help to thicken the bowl. Okay. The raisins on top, along with the strawberries and blueberries, which is not only beneficial for thyroid function, but it's also high in antioxidants. It's a low glycemic fruit, which means it doesn't spike your insulin like other fruits would. And this is one of the reasons why I love to use strawberries. So just slice them. I'm using 3 strawberries and about 20 blueberries. I'm just going to add a little bit of cinnamon on top, and I'm also going to have a side of 2 whole eggs and 1 egg white, just for extra protein. You know, your largest meal of the day is breakfast. And as you notice, as I just took the spoon and I dug into the bowl, you notice how thick. That's the consistency that you want. All right, let's try it out. That's so good. This is the recipe for the Power Bowl that's inspired by the Dulce diet. I thank you so much for sticking with me. And if this is content that you enjoy, make sure that you engage and hit the like button, not only so that I can know, and also so YouTube can know. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.